Good day, good people. Welcome to Googaloo. Today's LOOT of the day is Burger King Junior toys. And this time it's Transformers. I got week 3 and week 4 toys. And I missed week 1 and week 2. Anyways, let's start opening. Starting with the first toy. This latest batch of toys started on the 26th of August. And it's one toy per week. Autobots, assemble! So, week 3 toy is called Optimus Prime Vehicle. That's Optimus Prime's face. And since Optimus Prime is red and blue, let's see where that rattling comes from. Oh, it's the wheels. Very detailed. Recently, Burger King has been having toys every week. That's a lot of fast food. This vehicle looks good. Okay, let's take a look at the instructions. By the way, some of my good viewers have asked me if I'm a kid or an adult. Can I say I'm an overgrown kid? Anyway, to make things clear, I'm an adult. I just sound like a kid sometimes. So it's a shooting device. If I talk like this, do I still sound like a kid? Let's play! Okay, so this is the mechanism that helps to shoot the toy. And there's this part that you press. Then we push the thing in. If you have any difficulty, get an adult to help. Let's test it out. That was a bit dangerous. We should play this on the table or on the floor. Whee! Let's do that again. The toy works very well and it's good for boys and girls. Week 1 and week 2 were the female Autobot. Looks like Optimus Prime has a very cool vehicle. Now let's check out the next toy. And this one looks like a figurine or action figure. His arms are so flimsy. Let's check him out close up. Do you think his head rotates? Nope. And on the back, he's hollow. Okay, just his legs. I'm trying to see if there's any button that you need to press so that the body moves on its own. Do you want to see Optimus Prime doing jumping jacks? Okay, that's enough, he's tired. Let's see if there's anything else on the instructions. So it's a simple toy with turning body and flappy arms. Wanna see him dance? Okay, let's see what else moves. So there's his arms that move up and down. Let's see if his legs move. Nope. Speaking of Optimus Prime, I have another interesting toy to show. Let me grab it and I'll be right back. Just 1 second. And here we have another fast food toy, and this is from McDonald's. Let me see which year this is from. Year 2008. So I really like this toy because it has a very interesting feature. Not only does it have wheels. Oh my gosh, Optimus Prime is rusty. Let me show you what happens. Patience guys, I'm trying to figure out. Okay, that scared me, I thought it broke. I'm supposed to make him transform. Let's take out this part, which is his hands. Please don't break. Oh, his face is in there. And if I remember correctly, his feet can come out too. Must have felt good to have your back straightened. Let's compare the two Optimus Primes. Looking good. Let's transform him back into his vehicle. That was loud. I hope your ears are okay. Forgive this old and cranky Autobot. Now we compare the two Optimus Prime vehicles. Which one do you prefer? I made a short snippet of the transforming toy. Let's check it out. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you can like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye! To watch more, click one of the videos. Thank you!